Hello friends, welcome to Learner's Planet. Friends, in this session we are going to discuss the usage of few, little, a few and a little. Okay, before we proceed further, we discuss the usage of few, little, a few and a little. I would like to discuss countable and uncountable nouns over here, right? So basically nouns we will discuss in detail in separate sessions, but as of now I would like to give you the brief idea of countable and uncountable noun. Right, noun, you know, that's a name of place, people, person, thing and animal, you can say. So countable and uncountable noun, that means over here, countable nouns are easy to recognize. They are the things that we can count. For example, pen. We can count pens. We can count pencils, right? We can have 1, 2, 3 or more pens, right? So these are actually countable nouns. See, I have given some examples over here. Dog, cat, animal, man, person, bottle, box, cup. You can count, right? All of these can be counted easily. 1 plate, 2 plates, 1 table, 3 tables, 1 chair, 5 chairs, 1 bag, 3 bags, right? So countable nouns can be singular or plural. They can be one or more than one or one or many. My cat is playing. Here cat is singular. Kittens are hungry. The kittens are hungry. Kittens plural, right? So countable noun can be singular or plural. Your children are playing outside. Children plural. We can use the indefinite article a or n with countable nouns, right? Obviously, a child, a cat, a dog, a bag, okay, 2 bags, 2 persons. So for one object, we use a. A dog is an animal, it is a faithful animal. You can see n and a, right? Where do we use a, where do we use n, that we will discuss in our article sessions. As of now, we are just discussing countable and uncountable nouns. When a countable noun is singular, we must use a word like the, my, this with it. I want an orange, not I want orange. Where's my purse, not where's purse. When a countable noun is plural, we can use it alone. I like apples. Bottles can break. In detail, all these things we'll discuss once again. Over here, I'm just trying to give you a brief idea of countable and uncountable nouns, right? Now, what are uncountable nouns? Are substances, concepts that we cannot divide into separate elements. We cannot count them. See, I have given you examples over here. Honesty, beauty, music, art, love, happiness. All of these are nouns. But you cannot count them, right? Can you count happiness? Can you count love? Can you count butter, water, tea, milk? No. You can see some butter. You can see 1 glass of water. You can see 1 cup of tea. Money. You cannot count money. You cannot say 1 money, 2 money. You can say 1 rupee, 2 rupee, right? So all these are examples of uncountable nouns, right? So we usually treat uncountable nouns as singular. We use a singular verb. Examples I have given over here. Thus, news is very important. Your luggage looks heavy. There is no furniture in my house. There is no electricity in my house. Glass is transparent. Sugar is sweet. So here, news, luggage, furniture, electricity, glass and sugar, right? All of these are uncountable nouns. We treat them as singular. We cannot say sugar are sweet or glass are transparent, right? Sugar is sweet, glass is transparent. We do not usually use the indefinite article a or n with uncountable nouns, right? A and n means what? 1. Okay, we cannot say a music or a water. What we say? A piece of bread, a glass of water, a glass of milk, a grain of rice, right? We don't say a music, a water, okay? A furniture, we don't say that. Okay, so these I have explained over here countable and uncountable nouns. So very quickly, what is countable noun? When you are able to count, then the noun is countable. When you are not able to count, it is uncountable, right? Now we see the usage of a little, a few, very little, very few, and what is the difference between a little, a few, and very little, very few, a little, very little, a few, very few, right? Just try to understand the things carefully. The expression a little and a few mean some or enough, right? We'll be taking examples, not to worry over here, don't worry. The expression very little and very few mean hardly any or not enough. See friends, what does the term hardly means? Hardly means almost no, right? So hardly any or not enough. Hardly gives a negative sense, right? I have hardly any money with me. That means almost no money with me, right? So the expression very little, very few mean hardly any or not enough. I've got a little money. That means I have some money, right? If you wish to purchase anything, we can make a purchase, right? So I have got a little money. That means I have some money. It's enough for me to do what I want. And if I have got a few friends, a few friends, that means I have got some or enough friends, right? We meet every day. So a little, a few, that means some or enough. But if I say very little, very few, that means almost no, or we can say not enough. I have got very little money. That means I have got hardly any money. I can't buy whatever I wish, right? I have to borrow some from my friend. Okay. I have got very few friends. That means I have got hardly any friends. I haven't got enough, or I need to make new friends, right? So a little, that means some or enough, and very little, hardly, right? Not enough. Remember that a few, a little have positive idea, few, little have a negative idea, right? I have got a little money. That means I have got some money. I have got little money. That means I haven't got enough money, right? So a little gives you a positive idea, little gives you a negative idea, right? Hardly any. Okay. Let's make a comparison once again. Few, a few. A few is more than few. A few, I told you, it's enough or some. Few is hardly or not enough. Now where do we use few or a few? We use a few and few plus a plural countable noun. Be very clear about it. It is used with countable noun, right? Countable noun. Few friends, few books, few letters, a few people, a few friends, a few books, a few letters, right? Again, a few is a positive idea, few is a negative idea, right? It gives negative sense. Fortunately, our financial situation is good. We still have a few good customers, a few. That means we have enough customers so we can survive, right? I borrowed a few books from the library. That means enough, or we can say some books I have borrowed from library. There were a few people in the pub, right? There were some people. The pub was not empty. There were some people or a few people in the pub, right? So a few is a positive idea and few is a negative idea. That means almost none, right? Hardly any. Okay, we can also use very few, right? A few, or I'm sorry, only few and very few. I'm very sad. I have few good friends, right? That means I have hardly any friends. I'm very sad. I have very few good friends, right? So both of them convey the same sense. Both these sentences mean I don't have many good friends, right? I would like to have more. I have to make more friends, right? And I have a few friends, as I have told you earlier. That means I have some good friends. Okay. Now the next is older drivers have few accidents, almost no accidents, or we can say very few accidents. Okay. Older drivers have few accidents. Few people know about their argument. That means almost no people know about their argument, right? A few and few have irregular and comparative and superlative form. Few, fewer, fewest, a few, more, the most, right? This we'll discuss later on. Then we see the difference between little and a little. As few is more than a few is more than few. Similarly, a little is more than little. A little, that means some or enough, and little means hardly any, right? Now few we use with countable noun and little we use with uncountable noun, right? We use a little and little plus an uncountable noun. A little time, a little food. You can see time, food, money. You cannot count. You cannot count time, 1 time, 2 time, right? You can say 1 hour, 2 hour, but you cannot count time. A little food, you cannot say 1 food, 2 food, right? You can say a little, more, much, something like that. A little money. Similarly, you can't say 1 money, 2 money. You can count rupees, 1 rupee, 2 rupee, right? So when we use little with uncountable nouns. Okay. So that is a major difference between the two. Few is used with countable noun and little or a little is used, both of them are used with uncountable nouns, right? Few and a few are used with countable nouns. Little and a little are used with uncountable noun, right? That is a major difference. And what is the difference between few and a few? Few is almost none. A few, that means some or enough. Right? Similarly, what is the difference between little and a little? Little means almost none, a little means some or enough. Right? A little is a positive idea. It means some but not much. Right? Just see over here. I can help you. I speak a little English. Right? मैं थोड़ा इंग्लिश जानती हूँ तो मैं आपकी मदद कर सकती हूँ. Okay. I ate a little bread and drank a little water. थोड़ा मैंने खाना खा लिया है, ब्रेड खा लिया है और थोड़ा पानी भी पी लिया है. They had a little time, so they went shopping. थोड़ा टाइम था उनके पास, इसलिए वो शॉपिंग चले गए, राइट? सो अ लिटिल इज अ पॉजिटिव आइडिया. दैट मीन्स some but not much, but at least some, right? A little is a negative idea. Little is a negative idea. It means hardly any, or you can say nearly nothing. We can also use very little. I can't help you. I speak little English. मतलब मुझे नहीं के बराबर इंग्लिश आती है, इसलिए मैं आपकी ज़्यादा मदद नहीं कर सकती, right? I can't help you. I speak very little English. Both these sentences mean my English is bad. I would like to speak English in better way. Okay. He has little money, so he has to spend it carefully. मतलब उसके पास बहुत कम पैसा है ही नहीं के बराबर है, तो उसको बहुत ध्यान से पैसे को स्पेंड करना पड़ेगा, खर्च करना पड़ेगा, राइट? There is little milk in the fridge. Can you get some more? फ्रिज में बहुत थोड़ा दूध है. इवन अगर अभी चाय भी बनाना चाहे तो नहीं बन सकती है, तो थोड़ा दूध और ला दो, right? So there is little milk in the fridge. Can you get some more? If I say there is a little milk in the fridge, that means what? अगर थोड़ा दूध है फ्रिज में अभी, अगर आपको चाय पीना है तो पी सकते हैं, राइट? सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द टू. देयर इज अ लिटिल मिल्क इन द फ्रिज, दैट मीन्स थोड़ा दूध है अभी, वी कैन हैव अ कप ऑफ टी. और देयर इज लिटिल मिल्क इन द फ्रिज, दैट मीन्स देयर इज हार्डली एनी मिल्क इन द फ्रिज, वी कांट हैव अ कप ऑफ टी, right? So that's the difference between the two. So little is a negative idea, a little is a positive idea, right? Let's have some examples. I would suggest you just pause the session, read out all the sentences 2 to 3 times, right? So this way you'll be able to gain confidence and you'll understand the difference between little, very little, a little, a few and few. Okay, so just read out. They have very little success. बहुत कम सफलता उन लोग को मिली है. She didn't eat anything but she drank a little water. खाना उसने कुछ नहीं खाया पर थोड़ा पानी उसने पिया है, right? Now water is uncountable now, so that's why a little यहाँ पे little आया है, right? A little. Okay. Politicians make many promises. Very few of them are implemented. Now promises जो है वो countable है. एक promise किया, एक वादा किया, 2 वादा किया, right? That's why that means promise जो है वो countable noun है, इसलिए यहाँ पर few का use हुआ है, right? So एक negative sense है कि बहुत कम पूरी होती है या hardly कोई वो लोग पूरी करते हैं, इसलिए very few यहाँ पे use किया है. I speak a little Hindi. थोड़ी हिंदी आती है मुझे. Now हिंदी is uncountable noun. काउंट नहीं कर सकते मुझे एक हिंदी आती है, दो हिंदी आती है, हाँ लेकिन थोड़ी आती है, ठीक है. सो आई स्पीक अ लिटिल हिंदी. लास्ट नाइट आई रॉट अ फ्यू लेटर्स. कुछ लेटर्स लिखे थे मैंने कल रात को. डू यू हैव अ लिटिल टाइम टू गेट आउट एंड गो शॉपिंग. थोड़ा टाइम है तुम्हारे पास कि तुम बाहर जाओ शॉपिंग कर लो. बहुत कॉमनली यूज सेंटेंस है ना, अपने डे टू डे लाइफ में हम ऐसे सेंटेंसेस काफी बारी हमें यूज करने होते हैं, राइट. सो कुछ आप इसको 2 से 3 बार प्रैक्टिस करिए, यू विल बी एबल टू यूज देम इजीली. ही हैज सेंट दिस बुक टू अ फ्यू पब्लिशिंग कंपनीज, राइट. मतलब काफी पब्लिशिंग कंपनीज को उसने अपनी बुक जो है वो भेजी है. वेरी फ्यू ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम्स कैन बी सॉल्व टुडे. दे हैव अ लिटिल मनी सो दे आर नॉट पुअर. दोनों सेंटेंसेस में डिफरेंस देखिए. दे हैव अ लिटिल मनी सो दे आर नॉट पुअर. दे हैव लिटिल मनी दे आर वेरी पुअर, राइट. A little, little. If they have a little money, they are not poor. If they have little money, they are very poor. The cost of computers has dropped in the last few months. He was able to pass all his courses with very little effort. मतलब उसने hardly कोई effort put किए होंगे, फिर भी उसने अपने सारे जो courses है वो pass कर लिए, सारे exams है वो pass कर लिए. Your homework has so few mistakes. Your homework has few mistakes. मतलब मिस्टेक्स थी, काफी कम मिस्टेक्स थी. द कंट्री हैज अ फ्यू इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम्स. आई हैव अ फ्यू प्रॉब्लम्स इन माई होमवर्क. कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स है मुझे अपने होमवर्क में. और अगर मैं कहूँ आई हैव फ्यू प्रॉब्लम्स इन माई होमवर्क, दैट मीन्स हार्डली कोई प्रॉब्लम है, मैं कर सकती हूँ अपना काम, राइट. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. वी वर एबल टू स्नैच अ फ्यू आवर्स स्लीप आफ्टर आवर लॉन्ग फ्लाइट. थोड़े देर के लिए हम सो गए थे, राइट. बहुत लंबी हमारी फ्लाइट रही तो उसके बाद थोड़ा टाइम हमको मिल गया कि हम सो गए आराम से, राइट. देयर इज लिटिल टेंशन बिटवीन देम. थोड़ा उन दोनों के बीच में कुछ टेंशन है, बहुत कोई खास बात नहीं है, थोड़ी बहुत टेंशन है. फ्यू ऑफ देम हैव कॉल्ड मी. कैन यू गिव अ लिटिल मोर मनी. थोड़ा और ज्यादा पैसा दे सकते हैं क्या आप मुझे. कैन आई हैव अ लिटिल मिल्क. थोड़ा दूध मिलेगा. I'm going to be out of town for a few days. A few people expect to be successful. There was a little snow in Kashmir last week. We are going away for a few days. Your English is very good. You make very few mistakes. There were few people in the park. It was nearly empty, right? There were few people in the park. It was nearly empty. There were few people in the park. It itself means it was nearly empty. Deepak gave me a little advice. Salma spoke only a few words. I think you need a little patience. Patience, uncountable noun. My son has a little free time these days. Again, free time, that's uncountable noun. My son has a little free time these days, so he can spare the time for you. ऐसा कुछ कभी भी ऐसा जरूरत पड़ सकती है कि उसके पास थोड़ा फ्री टाइम है तो वो उसको यूटिलाइज कर सकता है, राइट. He has a little free time, so he can utilize it somewhere. A few of the students are ready. Okay, कुछ स्टूडेंट्स है जो तैयार है इस चीज के लिए. और अगर ऐसा है few of the students are ready, मतलब ऑलमोस्ट कोई भी रेडी नहीं है. ओके, हार्डली एक या दो. Okay, so you got the difference. Few, a few, little, and a little, right? And I hope you might have got the usage also. Okay. Let's have some practice. Replace the words in bold with a few or a little. Few. Where do we use few? Countable noun. A little, or little with uncountable noun, right? So I met some friends in the park, right? Now friends, countable noun, right? So I met a few friends in the park. Would you like some milk? Now milk is uncountable. So would you like a little milk? Okay. They drank 2 or 3 glasses of milk. Again, milk is uncountable noun. So they drank a little, glasses is there. So glasses is countable. So they drank a few glasses of milk. She gave information about the city. Again, information is uncountable, so she gave him a little information about the city. I need a little time to find the answer. Time is uncountable noun. He saw the film a few times. Add a little salt to the soup, right? Here he saw the film a few times. Here add a little salt to the soup, right? Salt is uncountable noun. Please give me, again advice is uncountable noun, so please give me a little advice. There are difficult words countable, so there are a few difficult words in this page. She wants to have children, countable noun. She wants to have a few children. There's water on the chair. There's a little water on the chair. Water, uncountable noun. He understands a little English. English is uncountable noun. He understands a little English, but he only speaks a few words. Words, countable noun. English, uncountable noun. Over here we'll use little, here few, right? So he understands a little English, but he only speaks a few words. The teacher gave us a homework, uncountable noun. So the teacher gave us a little homework. I have made, okay, plans, countable noun. So I have made a few plans for my future, right? So that's pretty simple. Just pause the session and do all the sentences once again. Okay. Now in all these blanks we have to fill up a few, little, a little, right? So again we'll see whether we have positive idea, negative idea, countable or uncountable nouns, right? They are unhappy these days. So they are a little unhappy these days. Unhappiness is not countable, right? So we'll use little, a little. So they are a little unhappy these days. We had a little snow last winter. Again, snow is not countable. So we had a little snow last winter. People were interested in the exhibition. Very few people were interested in the exhibition. Okay. There were tourists in the town, so all the hotels closed. सब होटल्स क्लोज हो गई हैं, इसका मतलब वहाँ पर लगभग नहीं के बराबर टूरिस्ट आते होंगे. So there were a little tourist. I'm sorry. There were few tourists in the town, or we can say very few tourists in the town. So all the hotels closed. How's your father? He's little better. Okay. Thanks. The police were worried because they had time to empty the building before the bomb exploded. That means बहुत कम time था उनके पास में. So the police were worried because they had little time, right? Not a little, little time, or we can say very little time to empty the building before the bomb exploded. I bought some biscuits, some cheese and bottles of milk. Now bottles countable. So I bought some biscuits, some cheese and a few bottles of milk. Okay. There is water in the pond. Water, uncountable noun. So there is a little water in the pond. मतलब पानी नहीं के बराबर है. आप ऐसा भी कह सकते थोड़ा पानी है, तो there is a little water in the pond. Okay. दोनों में से जो भी सिचुएशन है उसके अकॉर्डिंग यू कैन यूज अ लिटिल और लिटिल. अगर नहीं के बराबर पानी है तो लिटिल यूज करेंगे, और थोड़ा पानी है तो अ लिटिल यूज करेंगे. द प्रोफेसर स्पेंड्स time playing tennis on Sundays. So now time is uncountable. So the professor spends a little time playing tennis on Sundays. मतलब वो हर संडे को थोड़ा टेनिस खेलते हैं. Could we have juice please? Now थोड़ा जूस अगर लेना है, now juice is uncountable. So could we have a little juice please? In the supermarket they have a lot of frozen vegetables but few fresh ones. ओके मतलब लगभग नहीं के बराबर ताज़ा सब्जियां है, सब सब्जियां जो है वो फ्रोजन है, राइट। ताज़ा सब्जियां जो है वो नहीं के बराबर है, तो बट वेरी फ्यू फ्रेश वंस और फ्यू फ्रेश वंस। हैव यू गॉट एनी कंप्यूटर गेम्स? Computer games, again games is countable thing. You can say one game, two game. Yes, a few. I really need to see him. See him. I have got a few questions to ask him. I speak a little French. At home, the kitchen was a pleasant place. There were always a few flowers in a vase. There are a few students in the classroom. Saryu is fluent in English, French and Spanish. It's quite rare. A few people can speak, not a few, only few, because it's a negative sense. Few people or very few people can speak several foreign languages, right? Very few people can speak foreign languages. She has a few relatives, very few relatives. अगर उसके relatives नहीं हैं तो she has very few relatives, नहीं के बराबर, और she has a few relatives मतलब उसके कुछ relatives हैं, right? So situation के according depend करता है. There are bad players in the cricket team this year, so we have lost a lot of matches, right? इसका मतलब अगर हम मैच हारे मतलब काफी सारे जो है बुरे खिलाड़ी थे क्रिकेट की टीम में. So there are a few bad players in the cricket team this year, so we have lost a lot of matches, right? और अगर ऐसा होता कि so we have won a lot of matches, that means कि काफी सारे अच्छे खिलाड़ी थे, मतलब hardly बुरे खिलाड़ी थे. So there are or like just few bad players, नहीं के बराबर. This boy isn't very popular at school. He's got ओके अगर ये पॉपुलर नहीं है मतलब उसके दोस्त ज्यादा नहीं है, राइट. ही हैज गॉट वेरी फ्यू फ्रेंड्स. ओके देर आर बेड प्लेयर्स इन द हॉकी टीम दिस ईयर, सो वी हैव वन अ लॉट ऑफ मैचेस. नाउ जस्ट सी दिस सेंटेंस एंड दिस सेंटेंस, राइट. यहाँ पर जो बेड प्लेयर्स ज्यादा थे इसलिए जो मैचेस थे वो हार रहे थे. यहाँ पर बेड प्लेयर्स बहुत कम है इसलिए हम मैचेस जीते हैं. दैट मीन्स देर आर few bad players, or we can say very few bad players in the hockey team this year, so we have won a lot of matches. So you can understand the difference between few and very few and a few, right? Here a few क्योंकि थोड़े थे इसकी वजह से हम मैचेस जीते. यहाँ पे वेरी फ्यू क्योंकि बहुत कम थे नहीं के बराबर इसलिए हम मैचेस जीते. और यहाँ पर अ फ्यू क्योंकि थोड़े थे इसलिए हम मैचेस हारे. ओके they live in a very small flat because they have, okay, बहुत छोटे घर में रहते हैं इसका मतलब उनके पास ज्यादा पैसा नहीं है, right? So they have little money, or we can say very little money. We have very little knowledge of this phenomena. There are no, okay, few mushrooms in my mushroom soup, right? नहीं के बराबर mushrooms हैं. Animals can survive in the desert. That means here very few animals can survive in the desert. There are too many applicants for too few jobs. Okay, were you surprised? Yes, a little. ठीक है, हाँ थोड़ा सरप्राइज मुझे हुआ है, थोड़ा आश्चर्य मुझे हुआ है. Unfortunately, of the companies which we sent offers to showed interest on, unfortunately that means a negative sense. So मतलब बहुत कम companies हैं जो हमारे product में interest दिखा रही है. That means unfortunately few of the companies, or we can say very few of the companies which we sent offers to showed interest in our products, right? Very few of the companies, unfortunately. They have already been to London a few times. Okay, these plants require a little water. अगर उनको पानी चाहिए तो a little water, नहीं चाहिए तो very little water. Okay, दोनों में से situation के according आप use कर सकते हैं. Okay, so I hope you are clear with the usage of few, little, a few, a little, right? So I'll see you in the next session once again. Bye bye.